Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A7970. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are 22-inch alloy wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back and a rear backup camera. Line-X spray-in bed liner keeps the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.